It's one of my favorite songs. Over and by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain falling, seems I hear your voice calling, and it's alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. Seems like it's raining all over the world. Feel like it's raining all over the world. Yard signs flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. Distant moaning of a train seems to play a sad refrain into the night. It's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I believe it's raining all over the world. Feel it's raining all over the world. How many times I've wondered, Lord, it still comes out the same. 'Cause no matter how you look at it or you think of it, it's life, and you just gotta play the game. In a boxcar, so I take out my guitar to pass some time. Late at night when it's hard to rest, hold your picture to my breast, and I feel fine. Ooh, it's a rainy night in Georgia. Baby, it's a rainy night in Georgia. Feel like it's raining all over the world. Kinda lonely there, raining all over the world. Oh, have you ever been lonely, people? Talking about raining, 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 raining all over the world. Well, that's my version.